What's up, girls? It's Danita with Booty Bands, and today I want to show you healthy protein cookies. Something that you can eat before or after your workout to be able to essentially get the right carbs, the right proteins, and the right fats into your diet. So we don't have cravings all the time, so I'm not saying to eat this every single day. What I'm saying is probably about once a month when you're starting to get your hormones going and you're craving some chocolate. Maybe some cookies and milk. This is something that I started craving, and I just whooped up whatever was in my pantry and was able to make some healthy protein cookies that I want to be able to share with you. Okay, so let's make it easy. It doesn't have to be hard, and you don't have to follow an exact recipe, and it doesn't have to be including butter, milk, and a bunch of sugar, which that's usually what it calls for, right? So instead, the recipe that I did is I have a chocolate pea protein vegan powder, I have almond milk, I have Himalayan sea salt, I have cacao nibs, which are phenomenal for the dark chocolate chips. This was just something I added in just to have a little creativity, but matcha powder. And then coconut flour, which also says it's a good source of protein, and I thought it was very flavorful. I just have your baking powder, baking soda, and I used olive oil. It's kind of a joke, but I ran out of coconut oil. So normally I would just use coconut oil. And then finally I used it was a frozen banana that I just blanched in the microwave and used that as also a substitute for my oil. So essentially you have your liquids and then your dry, and very simple, just throw it into your bowl, and when it looks like it's too runny, add more powder in there. If it looks like it's too thick, then add more liquid in there. More probably almond milk is what I would suggest, or a little bit more oil if you feel like it's not really sticking together. And then for the powder, I would use like the protein powder or the coconut flour to do that. So something that's super simple. You put it at 350 degrees and you bake it for approximately like 15, maybe 20 minutes, and just keep an eye on it. Honestly, it was just something I just hurried up and just quickly did, but it just shows you that you can brainstorm and think of something on your own. I want you to be creative in your own kitchen to use healthy recipes or healthy ingredients to be able to make good recipes. So something personally that I actually have completely removed from my diet is number one, butter. Definitely don't have butter. If I do, it's vegan butter, so it's plant-based, and it's very little. The other thing is also milk. I do not have animal milk. I have almond milk, or the better yet, cashew milk is phenomenal. I really am careful as far as sugars go. You're gonna find that the protein powder is sweet enough. Also, definitely the coconut flour is sweet enough. You don't need to be adding a bunch of sugar. If you still feel like they need to be a little bit sweet, add some agave or some honey or things like that. Getting creative with those little things. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe in the link below to get more videos, and also comment to let me know what other videos you'd like to see.